what's going on, guys? Derek Peachy here from Glitch PCs. I hope you guys are all having an absolutely fantastic day, and welcome back to part 2 of the iMac G3 gaming PC build. So, if you remember from the last video, we got the motherboard for the iMac G3 gaming PC installed. So in this video, we're going to attempt to boot it up and also try putting this thing back together and seeing how everything fits. So, let's plug in the HDMI and the power cable. And press the power button. So we're actually in Windows 10 right now. The PC boots up, and see it's right over there plugged in, and it actually booted up into Windows 10. So that's awesome, guys. It's working. The fans are spinning. One thing to keep in mind about this PC, I did have to flip the motherboard over because the power button is on the bottom side. Because in the laptop it would have actually been flipped over that way. So. But it still works. It's all good, and we got Windows 10 booted up. So let's try to put this iMac back together. So before we get started actually putting the PC back together, I have to take this motherboard out one more time, and that's because I want to actually do some drill some holes in this piece for some extra cooling for this fan right here. So we can take the motherboard out one more time, put it back in, and that should be the last time we have to put this thing or take this thing apart. We have the motherboard remounted. It's time to actually attempt to put everything back together, or at least the outer casing. I'm gonna see what I can do with these speakers as well sometime, but right now I just want to see if I can fit everything back together with the motherboard in place. So guys, we got the actual casing all put back together. I think it looks dope. This motherboard, or this whole PC, is not even close to being done yet though. I still need to find a display. I want an actual HDMI connected display. This is 12 inches, so if you guys, have anything, let me know. Also, I need to cut a few holes in the back for back I/O, such as HDMI, USB 3, VGA, and the actual power plug. And then I also want to have front panel I/O via this thing. This would be like the other motherboard, like the side of the laptop. But I figured I'm gonna cut a hole somewhere here, probably like over here, something like that. And then there's an SD card slot audio and 2 USB 2.0s, so I can actually have front panel I/O. Other than that, everything fits together. The motherboard fits in there perfectly. You probably noticed there's a lot of empty space here. Just remember, on the bottom of this tray here, there's going to be a power supply. On this side, probably, there's going to be a graphics card. and then RGB lighting as well as cooling fans. I'm going to have to cut holes in this garbage plastic stuff. And then I still want to work on the laptop speakers. I want to be able to see if I can find a way to actually wire up the original laptop speakers to this thing. But so far, guys, this is going really, really great. The cooling fans, or the holes I drilled for the cooling fan, are looking awesome. It's going to have way more airflow than it would have in a laptop. So that's really great. So this project is really coming together, guys. I'm going to have to order some stuff for it, but it's looking good. It's looking awesome, and it's coming together pretty much just like I imagined it would. So yeah, I'm super excited for it. So guys, I hope you guys all are enjoying this amazing build series. This is one of the most insane projects that I've ever tackled personally. It's really coming together, guys. I can't wait to buy the GPU. I can't wait to buy the RGB lighting, the display, and really wrap this whole thing up. It's looking absolutely amazing. So I hope you guys are enjoying this build series. If you are, make sure to leave a like on this video. Also get subscribed. Check out my website down in the link in the description below to find awesome products like gaming PCs, computer parts, computer peripherals such as webcams, VR headsets, whatever. Also follow me on Instagram to get the latest news on products or projects like this, stuff like that, as well as when YouTube videos are being released. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.